Aurten ere sorioneko gaude Gorbeia Susien lasterketa arrakastatzuko hainbat korrikalarik Gran Hostel Koikili aterpetzea aukeratu dutelako beraien egonaldia egiteko. Tartean, emakumezkoen mailan 3. postuan sailkatutako Seila Avilés Kataluniarra. Beraz, guretzat ohore handia da kirolariek gure etzea aukeratzea. Beraien prestaketa, atsedena, ongizatea eta elikadura gure esku ustea alegia. Lasterketari dagokionez, aurten Gorbeia Susien berezia izan da Europako txapelketa baitzegoen jokoan eta honek berez lasterketak duen prestigioari dimentsio handiago eman dio. Sorionak antolatzaileei eta eskerrik asko Holanda naiz Espainiako selekzioko kidei eta baita Katalunia eta Andaluziako korrikalariei ere. Jarraian Holandako selekzioko 2 korrikalarien balorazioa eskainiko dizuegu. Hurrengor arte eta segi kirolaz gozatzen.
Was with us in Koikili Aterpecha during 3-4 days?
Wednesday? From Wednesday until today, so almost 4 days.
How do you... the experience was nice, bad?
We had a very nice day.
Yeah, it was really nice. The food, breakfast, the service, everything.
What
it was
is
a really nice day.
For you the best question?
Also the best. The food was very nice. Very good.
For you, for sportman and woman.
Yeah.
Finished the race, and I think we're both also happy with the time that we did.
How much time to do? 4 hours, huh?
4.5 hours for me.
And for me, 3 hours and 44 minutes.
Was very fast. No?
Yeah, I'm happy.
3 hours, huh?
44.
44.
It was a beautiful day in the mountain.
Yeah.
Nice day.
Yeah, it was really beautiful, and the views and everything was great.
And what position at total? You know?
Me, 54.
54.
Yeah.
Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, I was 24.
And 24. 50? 50.